export, and that will give us quite a lot of money. What we are doing is that we want to make sure, apart from selling domestic, we create excess and export. Because you really don't become an exporter unless you have self-sufficiency. Then you export the this. I keep telling people that whatever you export, you will export maybe even cheaper than your domestic market, because you are competing with everybody. You are competing with China. You are competing with everybody. So you only export your excess, just like, you know, airline business. Well, that's what I keep saying. Manufacturing. Say you have 100 seats, so 60 seats will be maybe your cost, and your profit will be in 60 seats. The 40 seats, you can even sell them at 40% or 50%. Whatever you sell them, you are making more money, because instead of dividing your cost by 60, which you have already done, you've taken your profit, you divide that cost by 100, and then you make more money. And that's how manufacturing is. So you just don't go and establish something where you just become an exporter. No. Even Asia, they did what you call self-sufficiency before they now target export. And because normally domestic market, you have to protect your domestic market compared to imports. Today, if you go to Japan, just try, for some of you that have been to Japan or even to South Korea, the Samsung you buy in South Korea will be more expensive than the Samsung you buy in Nigeria. Because export is that you are, like what I keep saying, you are taking, you are, you know, taking, you are actually, you know, taking poverty into somebody's country and creating jobs at home. So that's what export is all about, you know, apart from earning of foreign exchange. The next one is refinery.